Test Tube Class 9 Science Worksheet, Chapter 2, Is Matter Around Us Pure? Topic: Mixtures, Homogeneous Mixtures, and Heterogeneous Mixtures. Books Worksheet Number 2. In our surroundings, most substances are not pure elements or compounds but are mixtures. Understanding the nature of mixtures is essential to distinguish different forms of matter. Small diamond definition of mixture. A mixture is a substance that contains two or more substances, elements or compounds, physically mixed in any ratio. Backhand index pointing right, medium light skin tone. Example: air, soil, seawater, salad, salt and sugar mixture. A mixture does not involve any chemical reaction. The components retain their individual properties and can be separated by physical methods such as filtration, evaporation, or distillation. There are two types of mixtures: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Small diamond definition of homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is a type of mixture in which the components are uniformly distributed throughout the mixture and cannot be seen separately. Backhand index pointing right, medium light skin tone. Example: salt dissolved in water, sugar solution, air, vinegar. In a homogeneous mixture, the composition is uniform. The particles are not visible with the naked eye. The mixture appears as a single phase. Small diamond definition of heterogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the components are not uniformly distributed and can be seen separately. Backhand index pointing right, medium light skin tone. Example: sand and water, oil and water, soil, iron filings and sulfur powder. In a heterogeneous mixture, the composition is not uniform. The particles are visible. The mixture has more than one phase. Green key points. Mixtures can be separated by physical methods. Homogeneous mixtures are also known as solutions. Alloys like brass, copper plus zinc, are solid homogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures are easily distinguishable due to their non-uniform appearance. Writing hand short answer questions. Question 1. What is a mixture? Give one example. Question 2. Define homogeneous mixture and give two examples. Question 3. Define heterogeneous mixture with one example. Question 4. How can components of a mixture be separated? Question 5. Why is air considered a homogeneous mixture? Memo answers. Answer 1. A mixture is a substance made up of two or more substances physically combined in any ratio. Example: air. Answer 2. A homogeneous mixture is one in which the components are uniformly mixed and appear as a single phase. Examples: salt solution, vinegar. Answer 3. A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the components are not uniformly mixed and can be seen separately. Example: sand and water. Answer 4. Components of a mixture can be separated using physical methods like filtration, evaporation, decantation, and distillation. Answer 5. Air is considered a homogeneous mixture because all its gases are uniformly mixed and cannot be distinguished from each other. Test